Welcome to Sortifyd. My name is Em, and today's tutorial is your welcome. That sounded wrong. It's saying, I'm not saying you're welcome. I mean, I should be because Sortifyd is fantastic, but it is welcoming you to the app and telling you what it's about, giving you a little spark notes, a little highlight reel, and how you're setting up your account. So, I am on the home screen of my Sortifyd app. We've got Amy's demo account here, locked and loaded with prime examples and beautiful detail. But let me say, when you are creating an account, so if you've downloaded from the App Store, you're choosing your email that you're using, your password, you are going to get a verification code sent to your email. If you're not seeing it in your inbox, always check through if you need spam or junk, if things get filtered out. You get that 6-digit code because security is top of mind. So always remember that. We want to make sure we are verifying through your email and no one else's to set us up on the right foot. And then you're going to you're going to read through those terms and the policy and accept those, and then you will move into your Sortifyd questionnaire. So it'll ask you a few questions to make Sortifyd custom to you and really get you off on that journey that makes this app your own. And that's what I want to say to you today when you are being welcomed to Sortifyd. Make this app your own, but do not conquer it in a day. I am a type A person. When I got this app, I sure did do a lot that first day, that first week in trying to get so much information input, but it's your life, it's reflective of your life, and it's never going to really be complete. And that's kind of something that, like, the sooner you realize that, the better the app becomes. So get to know the app slowly and enjoy it. Enjoy it the way you enjoy your life. Don't try and cram all of your data into it in one day and think that's the only way you can use it. Start to implement it into your life and build it as a habit rather than some just like quick piece into your life and then something that fades out. So once you are in your app and you are on your home screen, you can start customizing, but maybe you're just starting with a list. So down here at the bottom, you have kind of your master keyboard here, from your home to your list to your calendar, your organizer, and your account. That really, really is the foundation. Everything from what you can see on your home, and then your 3 big tools, and that's your list, your calendar, what I like to call your file cabinet or your organizer with these 9 boxes of kind of the most tabbed in areas of your life, and then your account and settings. All that to say, again, Amy did not build this in a day. It's taken time. Make a to-do list. Get to know how you make a list in Sortifyd. Figure out what works really well. Maybe you don't like your calendar in list view and you want it in your week view. And maybe you're on your phone and you're like, I can't see the whole event, so I want to see it in day, hour by hour, and all the events that I have. Fantastic. When you go into organizer, this is where some people, type A, I get it, might get lost. You click into travel, there are tons of categories that are already inside each of these. So the way I like to think about it as a file cabinet is these are all your big drawers, and inside each one you have your files. So inside home and money, we have money tracker, we have financial accounts, payment methods, property, auto, assets, insurance, taxes, services, other attachments, and lists. So take your time to just get to know your file cabinet by clicking through and seeing what files are in each one, figuring out the capabilities the app even has, and then maybe pick something every week or every day. Again, it's not going to happen overnight, and that's beautiful, that's wonderful, that's amazing. Build it into your life. Realize what works best for you. Maybe the way you use it one week is not going to be the way you use it the next. That's totally fine. I think that's how life works, and this will always be a reflection of that. And your life is not like the person next to you. So it's the app is going to look different person to person. And just enjoy that and design it the way that you want. Downloading and getting started is you've already done the first step. So just keep going and keep enjoying.